Create new column and put conditional value pandas dataframe. I have dataframe. And a dictionary. I need to add another column and fill it with values from this dictionary of df cluster == key. I have tried using np.where. Crashes saying either both or neither of x and y should be given. My ultimate goal is to count true positive, true negatives, fp and fn, based on cluster and class label. This is the step towards.
Call map and pass the dict.